Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing of this package that I got from Aliexpress today, and this basically is a micro USB cable for Android phones. Again, this is one of the many cables or the micro USB cables that I ordered. So without wasting much time, let's go ahead with unboxing of this thing. Nothing else inside, and this is a sweet looking green colored cable. You can just slide it out, no need to cut it. Yeah, and I think this is around 2 meters. It does look like 2 meters to me. It's long, you can see it's pretty long. It's good when the quality does not seem that good, but for the price, I think I got it for $1 or $2. I'm not sure about it. Quality wise, I don't think it's that good, but still, I mean, you know, what else could you expect in this price from China? So I'll just show you quickly. Come on, man, focus. Yeah, so that's a USB cable. You can see this kind of stuff down here, yeah, over here. Okay, so, and that's what connects to your phone. Yeah, so that's with unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Hey guys, so this is just a follow-up on this cable, and the review on this thing is like this is pretty long, 2 meters, but it's good for the price, but the quality of this is not good. I tried charging using these cables and the charging is extremely slow. I guess it's because of the length, that's 2 meters. That might be one of the reasons, and I guess the other reason is the poor quality of this cable. So I do not recommend this product, at least for 2 meters I do not recommend it. I mean, you can go for 1 meter and try it out, you know, whether it's working properly or not, but 2 meters is a definitely no-go. The charging times on your phone are pretty high. The quality is not that good. The charging times are pretty high. So I'll just be keeping it in my drawer, or maybe just I'll throw it out. So yeah, thanks for watching and bye.